Hello. Today in the garage I got two problems on two motorcycles. Put these away yesterday and everything was fine. Went to start them last night. This Yamaha Virago here, the indicator lights aren't working. High beam works, but the neutral switch doesn't work. Turn signals don't work. And the brake light doesn't work. So I imagine that's a fuse and that should be easy. Hopefully. Then we got an 05 C90 Boulevard, which doesn't turn over. Watch. Sounds good. Everything seems alright. I'm going to put this camera right here. You can see me start it. Or not start it. Now it starts. Wow, but this thing wouldn't start at all. What's up? Did you hear what I said? Last night it wouldn't start. I turned over and turned over for the longest time, and now it starts. Oh, I'm so happy about that. I don't know what the problem was there. Alright. Well, I'm not going to worry about that. And if it keeps starting, I was going to get ready to tear it down, do some diagnostics and everything. Maybe just had an air pocket or a bubble in the fuel or something. Like I said, yesterday we turned them off and they're fine. Alright, this Yamaha should be no problem then. Let me take the seat off and check the fuse. Let me start this one more time. Because I don't believe it. You kidding me? I almost didn't sleep because of this crap. Yeah, it's a miracle. Alright, let me take this. Let me check these fuses on this Yamaha. Okay. Took two 10mm bolts that hold the seat on. You know how to do that. Remove the seat. There's one fuse and a spare fuse, I believe, and this fuse says signal. Where is it? Signal. Let's take that apart. Hopefully that's a blown fuse. I need two hands. That looks like a blown fuse to me. Oh, can it get any easier? Yeah, now I gotta find the fuse. I should have one. I'll be back again. Oh, but I didn't look under here. Look. There's a spare fuse. Wasn't that nice of them gaps? Oh, thank you. Let me put that in. Then, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go buy another spare and stick it in there. Alright. New fuse installed. Old fuse out. Let's turn on the key. And hopefully these lights. Yes! Turn signals. Oh, yeah. You kidding me? How could it be so easy? Two broke down bikes. Brake light. Yep. Man. Alright, I still don't believe that Suzuki started right up. But I'm glad for that fuse. Now we're going to close that back up, put the seat back on, and I will go get a spare fuse again and put it back in there. Let me double check this Suzuki. I don't know why. Yesterday it turned over. It must have been, I tried it 10 times. It just turned over and turned over like it was getting no fuel. Like I said, maybe there's an air bubble in there, or if anybody ever had that problem, let me know. Because I'd hate to have it, I don't know, be short somewhere and leave me stranded. Like I said, I was going to do a diagnostic on it, which, you know, jump the pin connectors and all that. Let me try it one more time before we get out of here. Because I don't believe it. Contact. A little sluggish there on the first turn, you think? It started. Alright, man. I'll be back. I'm glad we got this straightened out. Now I can go relax and watch TV all day. See yes. No, but guess what? As soon as I started this Yamaha, the fuse blew again. So I guess I'm not gonna watch TV all day. I'm gonna start looking up what's up with this. Started it up, fuse blew. Okay, anybody with any tips out there, give me a shout. Comment here. Alright, we're gonna work on this. Anyway, they both run. Shucks. Alright, I'll be back again.